How to solve work and tank problems. First, I'd like to show that work and tank problems have the same principle in solution. For example, a man can paint a fence in 3 hours. How much can he paint in 1 hour? So if this is the fence, if he paints it in 3 hours, in 1 hour, he will be able to paint 1/3 of the fence. In 2 hours, it will be 2/3 of the fence. And in 3 hours, he can paint the whole fence. Same as in a tank, if a pipe can fill up a tank in 3 hours, how much can it fill up in 1 hour? So in 1 hour, it can fill up 1/3 of the tank. In 2 hours, it will fill up another 1/3, and in 3 hours, it can fill up the whole tank. So the working principle is the amount inside the tank is the number of hours that the pipe fills up the tank, or the pipe is open, divided by the number of hours needed for that pipe to fill the tank to full. Example 1, pipe A can fill a tank in 12 hours. Pipe B can fill a tank in 6 hours. How long will it take both pipes together to fill up the tank? So let us say X is the number of hours that both pipes can fill up the tank. So we know that pipe A can fill up the tank in 12 hours, so that will be the denominator for pipe A. But we do not know how many hours it was open to fill up the tank to full. Pipe B needs 6 hours to fill up the tank to full, and we don't know how long it was open to fill it up. This will be equal to one whole tank. Now if you multiply all of them by 12 to remove the denominator, this will cancel out. This will cancel, leaving 2. So we have x plus 2x is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3, x is equal to 4. So it takes 4 hours for both tanks to fill up the tank, both pipes to fill up the tank. Example 2, 2 pipes can fill up a tank in 8 hours. Pipe C can fill up the tank by itself in 12 hours. How long will it take pipe D to completely fill up the tank if it's filling up the tank by itself? So let us say X is the number of hours pipe D to require to fill up the tank by itself. So we know that it will take them both 8 hours. So we know the numerator for both C and D is 8 hours. So let's say 8 hours for pipe C, and pipe C needs 12 hours to fill up the tank. Pipe D needs 8 hours together with pipe C to fill up the tank, but we don't know how long it will take by itself to completely fill up the tank. So this should be equal to 1 full tank. Now 8 over 12 we can reduce to lowest term. This becomes 2 over 3 plus 8 over x is equal to 1. Now the least common denominator of this one is 3x. So we just multiply everything by 3x. So this is times 3x, this is times 3x, this is times 3x. This will cancel, this will cancel, so we have 2x plus 24 is equal to 3x. So if we move this 2x to the other side, this will become 24 is equal to 3x minus 2x. 24 is equal to x. So pipe D will require 24 hours to fill up the tank by itself.